Space junk has been a growing problem for Earth, and Switzerland is courageously investing in cleaning up the inactive satellites. The Swiss Space Center at EPFL has launched a project in 2012 of space pollution cleaning, Clean Space One. Since 1957, when Sputnik became the first Earth-orbiting satellite, mankind has pumped the outer Earth with an incredible mass of space debris, enough to sum up $20 billion in satellite insurance policies. NASA is counting some hundreds of thousands of inactive pieces of space junk, of that which 16,000 pieces are larger than 10 centimeters. We very much so need the Clean Space One satellite in that mess of junk. The Clean Space One project is necessarily mastering the custodial arts in Earth's orbit. The space junk orbiting Earth at speeds of up to 28,000 kilometers an hour is flying around up there and can potentially cause damage to active satellites like Hubble and even the International Space Station. Furthermore, the mass of space pollution is vast and growing, and if not clean, will be problematic for the space dreams of future generations. Clean Space One is set to begin the process of clearing skies in 2018. For more information about the Clean Space One janitorial space satellite, view the linkage in the description of this video for the Volt Report, and this has been the December 14th, 2013 Volt Report.